Mike Thomas says, how does one use the pill method effectively? I have purchased the book and found our amortization schedule, and I'm trying to find the calculator. I think he's talking about the opportunity cost calculator, John. This is a great question.
Well, listen, the opportunity cost calculator, to be able to get that. See, you can't go to our website and just purchase, because we actually offer coaching that goes along with it, and we have customer service. And not everyone benefits from our program. This is not something we sell to everybody. We first do an analysis, and then you can get a savings and earnings report. You want to know how much interest you can save, and then when you're going to be debt free. And does that work in your system or in the way that you have your long and short term goals? Is that going to fit in there? So if they paid into their mortgage for so many years and they're forever home, and they'll have maybe 10 years left, they may not have enough interest left to save to justify getting the program. So this is what we're doing. So we're going to show you going to ice10k.com, clicking on the button that says get a savings and earnings report. You're going to be able to know how this can benefit you. It is not just enough to save interest. Are you saving enough interest to justify getting in our program? And if you are, then you will be able to see the month and year you're going to be debt free, how much interest you can save. And then we're going to show you what percentage of that interest you're saving pays for this program. What does that mean? You mean that money I was formerly paying the bank actually is going to pay for the program, and I get to keep a tremendous amount of that interest. Oh my gosh. So folks, we're talking about a tiny piece of the interest you're saving pays for a lifetime program. What does that mean? I have a guy who came on our program in 2008, paid off his first mortgage in 6.5 years. All right. By the time he was 30, in next year, he'll be paying off his fourth mortgage on his lifetime program. He hasn't paid us an extra dime. And he's paying off his fourth house. This is what we're talking about, folks. I absolutely love what we're doing. And I hope that answers that question. So to get access to the calculator, get your savings and earnings report. And then if you like what we're telling you, we will introduce you to the calculator, and you can then purchase at that time when it makes sense to you. Okay?
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.